Good morning. Before you spend $1,000 on your sprinkler system or sprinkler heads, let me show you an easier way. So this morning we're back out here. This morning we're out here in beautiful Jarrell, Texas. My client called me and said she has an issue. As you can see, her grass is all brown. So it's not from enough shade or whatever, or too much sunlight. That could be some things, or the ground could be hard, but no. She pointed it out. All her sprinkler systems work, except for this one right here. This head is damaged. So instead of you doing so much whatever, this and that, here's a simple fix. Just dig out the square grass. It'll expose the head. You unscrew it all the way. Take it to Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, wherever, and replace it. Come back. It normally should be between $5 and $15 a piece. That's it. Come back, cap it back in, check it. Sprinkler system up there. Put the grass back, and that'll be it. So yes, if you have brown grass that's not green like this, it could be just sprinkler heads are not hitting the right areas, or they're not hitting the right zones, or whatever. Then it's beautiful guys over there building a house, and this is Jarrell, Texas. But always check your zones. If you think you have spots like this, you probably have a head that's buried, cracked, messed up, and actually, or maybe just needs to be replaced. That's it. So before you spend thousands of dollars, this is an easy, quick. I'm only charging her $100, in and out, quick fix. As you see, just taking the dirt out right here. Here's your sprinkler head. I'm gonna dig a little bit more, unscrew this, take it to get matched up, come back, cap it, and that'll be it. So we got the two little buggers out. We're gonna take them to Lowe's or Home Depot, get them matched up, come back, and replace them. Here's the area. Client has a brown yard compared to her neighbors. As you can see the difference. Sometimes sprinkler heads are just busted, or lawnmower guys run them over. So we're gonna fix it this morning. We're back at Home Depot. Let me turn the music down. Copyright reasons. Back at Home Depot. This is in Georgetown, Texas. Riverly Boulevard, the only one they got. I actually like it. I'm gonna go over here at Garden Center. So we got two of these. Gonna take them in there, get new caps, and that's it. Keep in mind these are really relatively cheap, probably about $5 to $10 a piece at Lowe's, Home Depot. And that's it, guys. Got my receipt, got my stuff. I'm out of here. Thanks, man. And we're heading back at the client's house. Hey guys, awkward view, but hey, got them. Just want to clean out a little bit around here. Not too much. I don't want to mess up the pipes or anything, but just gonna dig out this clay, this mud, this caliche a little bit. Just enough where I can put these caps on, and then they'll come back up, and then that'll be it for that. Let's actually see if it goes back in there. This is simple sprinkler head replacement. And that is it. Just make sure it's all the way in there. Okay, can't turn no more. And then I got another one. I'm doing this side right here, and that'll be it. Then put the dirt and stuff back in here, and the grass pieces, and that'll be it. And then they'll check it. All right, that's it out here. It's all cleaned up. They actually checked it. Husband checked it too. Everything's all done. So hopefully they'll start hitting right here. And then another guy's pull up piece of work. But we're out of here. That's it, guys. Quick sprinkler heads fix. If you need it, let me know, guys. I got a secret for you. Life is 100% a mental game. It's a game. It's not a physical game. It's not about getting up, going to work, digging holes, slaving away for somebody else. It is a mental game. This is why gyms are full every January, and by March, literally 3 months later, it's out, it's empty. Because when things get hard, people go backwards to comfort. They don't get through it. They haven't mastered the mental part of it yet. Think about that.